everyone, welcome back to my channel. English based is Q. Let's explore the world of phrasal verbs. Wake up to stop sleeping and become conscious. As a housewife, she wakes up early to start her day. She woke up feeling well rested. Get up to leave your bed and start your day. She gets up at dawn to prepare breakfast for her family. She usually got up at around 5 a.m. Make a bed to arrange the bedding, pillows, and blankets. She always makes up her bed as soon as she wakes up in the morning. Before guests arrived, she made up the guest bedroom with fresh linens and fluffy pillows. Cook up to prepare food by cooking. She cooked up a delicious breakfast of scrambled eggs and bacon for the family. I'm in a hurry, so I'll just cook up some oatmeal for a quick breakfast. Clean up to tidy and make something clean and orderly. After breakfast, she cleans up the kitchen. She cleans up the house every morning. Wash up to wash dishes and clean kitchen utensils. After every meal, she washes up the dishes. Don't forget to wash up after breakfast. Set up to prepare or arrange something. She sets up the dining table for lunch. Can you help me set up the dishes? Take care of. To look after or attend to someone or something's need. She takes care of her children while her husband is at work. Housewives often take care of household chores. Dress up to put on nice clothing, often for a special occasion. She dressed up for the family dinner. Housewives like to dress up when going out. Drop off to deliver or leave something at a specific place. She drops off her kids at school in the morning. She dropped off the dry cleaning on her way home. Pick up. To collect or gather something. She picks up groceries on her way back from school. Housewives often pick up items for the household. Run errands. To complete small tasks or chores outside the home. She runs errands like going to the bank or post office. Today, I need to run errands for the house. Plan out. To carefully organize or arrange something. She plans out the family's meals for the week. Housewives often plan out their daily tasks. Check out. To examine or investigate something. She checked out new recipes online. Housewives often check out home improvement ideas. Budget for. To allocate money for specific expenses. She budgets for groceries and household bills. Housewives need to budget wisely. Wind down. To relax or prepare for bed after a busy day. She likes to wind down with a good book. Housewives often wind down by watching TV. Help out. To assist or lend a hand with tasks. Her husband helps out with child care on weekends. Can you help out with dinner tonight? Put away. To return something to its proper place. After using the dishes, she puts them away in the cupboard. She puts away her children's toys before bedtime. Tidy up. To make a space neat. She tidies up the living room before guests arrive. Housewives often tidy up throughout the day. Fill in. To complete a form or document with necessary information. She fills in the skill permission slips for her kids. Housewives may need to fill in forms for various purposes. Stay in. To remain at home and not go out. Sometimes she just likes to stay in and relax. Housewives often stay in to take care of household tasks. Do subscribe us for more latest educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in another video. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Take care. Bye-bye.